In this video, we're going to go through the variations of the Pilates rollover. This is a little bit more of an advanced exercise as you can strain your neck and it requires some deep core muscles and control. And as all of the Pilates exercises, if you want a little bit more of a challenge, you can always add wrist or ankle weights to your Pilates workout. So let's go over the rollover. You're going to lay down on your mat in a nice comfortable position. Get your shoulders away from your ears. Take a couple breaths so you can find your nice neutral position and connect your breath with your movements. You're going to inhale to prepare, and you're going to bring your legs up and over. Go as far back as you can without straining your neck. Separate your legs a little bit. Flex your feet and slowly roll one vertebrae at a time back down to the mat. Let your legs come all the way down. Inhale to prepare. This time, we're going to do a modified version. Come up to a tabletop. Exhale, inhale to prepare again. As you exhale, engage those deep core muscles. Keep your knees bent and roll back. Slowly back down, one vertebrae at a time, like you're putting a string of pearls back down on a dressing table. To make this a little bit more challenging, you can take a small exercise ball, put this between your ankles. Squeeze the ball so you don't drop it. Flex your feet, shoulders away from your ears. Slowly come all the way back down. You can also roll up, stretch forward to get a hamstring stretch, one vertebrae at a time back up, and back down to start your next rollover. You can also put the ball in between your knees for your rollover. Flex your feet. Slowly on your exhale, one vertebrae at a time, all the way back down. You can also use a Pilates ring. We'll start with it between our ankles, giving it a nice squeeze. That way you're going to engage these inner thigh muscles. Roll over. Be mindful of your neck. Stretch to get a nice calf stretch, nice hamstring stretch, and slowly, slowly roll all the way back down. You can come up, nice stretch forward, and back up. The Pilates ring can also go on the outside of your feet to work the outside of your leg muscles. And back down. The last apparatus we're going to use, well, second to last, is the Pilates bar resistant bands. So you're going to put this underneath your legs. You're going to put the straps around your feet. And if your bar has some adjustments, I would adjust them out a little bit. Otherwise, the resistance is going to be pretty strong and it's going to pull you back when you try to do your rollover. You're going to press the bar down into the ground. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, bring those legs up. Push down nice and hard on the bar and roll back. Keep that tension on the bar. Flex those feet, one vertebrae at a time, all the way back down. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, zip up those core muscles from your pubic bone all the way up to your belly button. Exhaling all the way over. Inhale at the top. Flex those feet. And exhale slowly all the way back down. The last apparatus we're going to use is the foam roller. For this is an advanced apparatus and an advanced exercise. So you're going to want to make sure that you're very well balanced. Spread your arms a little wider to keep that balance. Come up to a tabletop position to make sure you feel nice and stable. If you're rocking too much, get comfortable here before you try the rollover. You're going to inhale to prepare. And again, you can do this with bent legs or straight legs. And on your exhale, you're going to slowly roll one vertebrae at a time over. Flex those feet, one vertebrae at a time. Back down the foam roller. Gives your spine a nice massage. Let your legs come down as far as you can. Exhale. Back over. Flex those feet, separate them a little bit. One vertebrae at a time. All the way back down on the foam roller. So that's the Pilates rollover. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to visit my website and contact me or leave them below. Thank you.